Standard 10. Subject Maths. Last time revision, that is LMR by Vyas Sir. Chapter 2, Polynomials. Linear polynomials, that is ax plus b, is said to be linear polynomial. Zeros of polynomial: if pk is equal to 0, then k is the zero of the polynomial. Graphically, if curve intersect x-axis, then this point is zero of the polynomial. For example, ax plus b has maximum 1, 0. 0 of ax plus b is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus b upon a. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is said to be quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c has maximum 2 zeros. It means that either it has no 0 or 1 0 or maximum 2 zeros. If quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 have 2 zeros, alpha and beta, then sum of 0 is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Product of 0 is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. If zeros of the polynomials having opposite sign, then b is equal to 0, means there is no term having only x. If zeros are reciprocal of each other, then c is equal to a. If 0 of the alpha beta, then we can form the equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, or in other form x square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0 is equal to 0. Cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d have 3 zeros, alpha beta gamma, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a, that is sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha beta, beta gamma and alpha gamma is equal to c upon a, and product of the zeros, that is alpha beta gamma, is equal to c upon a. We can form the equation like that: x cube minus alpha beta gamma x square plus alpha beta beta gamma and alpha gamma x minus alpha beta gamma. So we can form cubic equation like that.